Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 13 October 2021 and today's topic name is string methods in Java. In this topic we will discussing what is string methods, how to why we can use string methods, etc. So let's start. First, string. String is a object represent the sequence of the character, and in string there are methods to perform the multiple operations on the string. Let's discuss these methods one by one. First one is equals to method. Second one is length. Next one is substring. Next one to uppercase. Next one to lowercase. Next one trim. Next one split. Next one equals to. Next one compare to. Next one contains, etc. There are multiple methods provided in Java to perform the specific operations on the string. Let's discuss these methods one by one with their example. First method is length. Int length method, it is method used to find the length of the string. It return the length of the string. Next one is substring. String substring in bracket int begin index. So we will provide the begin index. From this index it will return the substring. Next one is trim method. Trim method is used to remove the beginning and ending spaces of the string. Next one is split method. Split method is used to split the string by provided specific space or any character. From this character or space we can split the method. Next one is compare to. It will compare to method will be compare the string. Next one is equals to. Equals to method is used to check the equality of the string, equality of the two strings. Next one is to lowercase method. To lowercase method is used to convert all the characters in the string to lowercase. If we will provide the string yes, in string welcome, all the characters are small case, so all the letters are the capital. So in this case if we will provide the methods to string yes, then string yes to lowercase, then it will convert the all string character into lowercase. Next one is to uppercase method. This method is used to convert the all the string character into uppercase. If we will provide the string yes is equals to welcome in all in small case, so by applying to uppercase method to string yes, then it will convert the all string character into uppercase letters. Next one is trim method. Trim method is used to remove the beginning and ending space of the string. If we will provide the string yes is equals to 5 times space, then welcome, and then another 5 times space. So in this case by applying trim method we can remove the beginning and ending space of the string. Next one is substring. If we will provide a beginning index to the string, so from this beginning index string will be converted into substring. Next one is contains. If we will provide the string welcome and another string s1 with w, so it will check this s2 string will be contains in s1 string or not. If we will provide the s1 compares to s2 contains s2, then it will check this s2 string will be contains s1 string will be contains s2 string or not. If will contain, then it will return the boolean value, it's true. If will not contain, then it will return the boolean value false, etc. This all the information about the methods in string. Thank you.